This very pretty German city is Passau, known for where three rivers meet, the Danube that I sailed in on and the Inn and Ilz. It's an important town on the ancient trade route. The well-preserved Baroque architecture, narrow lanes, and picturesque archways remind me of Italy. With only a few hours to explore this afternoon, I head up to the town's 13th century fortress to meet my friend Brigitte. Wow, the views from up here are fantastic. All right, so I know Passau's on three rivers, and we sailed in on the Danube. So the other two rivers are...
We have the Inn River coming from Switzerland from direction south, and we have the Ilz River coming from the Bohemian Bavarian forest from north. So all three, Danube from west, come together on one conjunction point, and they continue to the fourth direction, which is east. It's a very magic spot, actually.
Yeah, and where we're looking is so stunning. So we're looking, what I see beyond is Austria.
Is Austria. The horizon to the south is Austria, and opposite is Czech Republic. So we are not only a three-river city, we are also a three-country. What is also in Bavaria, we have a tradition with beer gardens. And the beer garden is the living room of the Bavarian in summer. And in former days, they had to take a stone mark and get the beer from the brewery, because you could not just buy beer everywhere. So with this stone mark, they went there and they had to go back home, and then they want another one. So that's how the beer garden started, to put wooden benches, place to meet, and you could bring your own food.
Oh, really? Oh, that's interesting. So we have a beer garden that we're going to?
Let's have a look and taste the beer.
Nice.
And then we will drive down back to the city, and there we go to a very old traditional restaurant where we taste some wine.
Okay, so beer, wine, sounds great to me. We head over to Das Oberhaus restaurant right next to the fortress.
I'm Joseph. I'm the owner of the restaurant Das Oberhaus here in Passau. It's an Augustiner beer restaurant. We have a very special Augustiner beer. It's Munich Oktoberfest beer. The brewery is from the 15th century. It's a private brewery. It's made for the Oktoberfest all beer in wood barrels. The only one brewery who make this for so much people. We're cooking, I say, Mediterranean Bavarian. Today in autumn we serve duck and deer in all variation. We serve very season. We serve, the most dishes are from here.
Beautiful.
It's very hot.
So this is a dish that's...
Special for the autumn.
Yeah.
It's called, in German it's called Kirchweih. It's like in America, Thanksgiving.
Ah, okay.
In America you have Thanksgiving, we have here Kirchweih, duck, pumpkin, the apples.
Oh yeah, very similar to what we have.
It's very similar.
This is an apple?
Yeah, it's an apple.
It looks more like a peach or a nectarine.
No, it's half an apple, you look.
Oh, you baked it too. Nice. It smells so good, the rosemary.
Yes, here it's made with marmalade, nuts, just 20 minutes in the oven, and then it's very, very nice. Put the red
cabbage.
Yes.
Did you say Rotkraut, right?
Rotkraut. It's called, in German it's called Rotkraut.
So if you put...
Just put it here in the middle, and I put the duck on.
I know you probably didn't want the bay leaf in there, did you? But more?
Yes, more.
Oh, I know we're in Germany.
You are two big girls. You have to eat a lot of red cabbage. Yes, very good. The sauce on. Ah, it's hot.
Yeah, they're sitting over these.
Yes.
You want this one too?
Yes, of course. 2 persons.
I love it. Everything here is big and...
No, it's not so. We have big beers.
Well, for me it is.
Very
big beers to go with it, yeah.
Duck sauce.
Duck sauce. No. Oh, well, that for one portion.
Yeah, that's a normal portion. Out of the bones, onions and carrots.
So what did you do with the duck? You just roasted it in the oven?
Yeah, we roasted in the oven 2.5 hours, very slow, and the last 20 minutes we give 200 degrees, so you make it crispy.
Yeah, that's the secrets. The crispy secrets.
The crispy secrets, very dry.
Oh, I know what this is, a dumpling.
Potato dumplings.
The food is so hearty here. It's amazing. And a beer.
And
I don't even know how to do it. I love these little serving dishes too.
Yes.
Very nice, chef.
So,
beautiful.
I can serve it. It's very hot.
Fantastic.
big beers.
This duck was smelling so good in the kitchen, but now it smells even better. And we've been sitting here waiting for our beer.
Yes.
You know that
Prost
beer,
again.
Try it.
you know
Thank
that beer has 5,000 ingredients. They could
Oh.
survive on beer and sauerkraut. and everything.
Yeah, you're very well preserved with beer and crowds. This beer is really nice, though.
Yes, of course.
It's more wine-like for me. It's lighter.
It's quite fresh lager beer.
Yeah.
It's from our brewery. It's in Munich. We have very good breweries here in Passau too. First Pilsner was made here just 40 kilometers here in Pilsen. And it was manned 20 kilometers from Passau.
Ah, it looks fantastic. Do you go to the market here to get your ingredients?
Yes, for the vegetables, the fish. We have the fish here from the Danube too.
Yes, I heard you telling somebody earlier about a fish that you had a
Yes.
little while ago. A big fish from the
Yeah,
Danube.
2 meters.
That's ridiculous.
Really big, and it was from the Danube.
Oh wow, this is so crispy.
Was that a catfish?
It was a catfish, yes.
You knew that it was a catfish. That's good. Do you like to?
26 kilos.
Wow.
So really heavy and still alive.
Oh. So were you from Passau or?
Yes, I'm near from Passau, just 20 kilometers. It's called Bavarian forest.
Oh,
We have a lot of deer, fresh sweetwater trout fish, and now I'm here 2 years in Passau.
So did you grow up with all that kind of food? And
Yes, I grew up with that kind of food. I studied cook and was around a long time in Austria, in Germany and France.
So it's like the real Bavarian foods, but with your own, it's almost like
That's real
It's-
Bavarian, but
with the dumplings and the
Yes,
cabbage, but you do your own little old food fresh. Is that what we were saying?
yes, like you said, all food fresh.
And you know he comes out of a traditional family who makes food because my parents went to your father's restaurant really when I was a little child.
Oh,
Yes.
so it's in the
They
family.
have another restaurant in the Bavarian
Oh, you
forest.
do.
And
Oh, so this food thing goes way back for you. I see.
Oh, yes.
What do you think?
I tell you, you must taste the Blaukraut.
Oh,
There's some cinnamon in it.
Yes,
You see?
it's cinnamon,
You taste the
yes.
cinnamon.
oh yeah.
orange, cinnamon.
Oh, orange too.
Oranges too, yes. Apple. And
Cloves.
cloves.
That's what
It's
it
a
is.
cloves.
I know. I had this little crunch and that
Yes,
little
it's
tang
a
in there.
little-
Well, I know you have to get back to the kitchen, the cooking. But thank you again.
Thank you
Thanks
very
so
much.
much.
Thanks a lot.
Very happy to be
delicious.
here. It is delicious.
Prost.
Thank you.
What a terrific spot. And that duck was awesome. As night falls, we head back to the old town to try some special desserts at one of Passau's most historical Bavarian restaurants.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, thank you. This place is pretty incredible looking.
Yes, actually this building where we are sitting right now is very old. It has been firstly documented in 1358 and it was a place, it was a house built for 13 widowers who were taken care of. And they got 9 wine hills in Austria, in the Wachau, which still belong to this building. And we are now in Germany, we are not in Austria, so it's very special.
It's a very old looking place. I mean, it looks very Roman almost.
Yeah, I very often get the question, are these the Roman walls? And I must tell you, a Roman wall, 2,000-year-old, some of them, never stays a Roman wall over the whole period. So every Roman wall became a quarry. People took the stone away, it fell down, it was destroyed. And stone was very costly for people. So in Germany, we still say steinreich, stone rich. You say stone broke.
That's funny.
So in every house, you can find a stone of a Roman wall, let's face it.
So is this, oh my God, look at this plate of dessert. What are you trying to do to me? So I see some typical things.
yes.
I know some things on here. Palatschinken, I know, because my mom is from
Palatschinken,
Vienna.
yeah, we call it Pfannkuchen, and it is a Marillen-Pfannkuchen. Marillen marmalade is house-made here. Right, let us taste the Marillen Palatschinken, the Marillen-Pfannkuchen.
So what is that flavor, Marlene?
Marille is a fruit which they also buy in the Wachau. It's a yellow little fruit which is similar to apricot.
Similar, but it isn't an apricot. It's not a sour. And this is very interesting. This is like it kind of looks like a profiterole, Italian profiterole, which is usually with ice cream.
That is a speciality from the house. It's called Schlosserburm. If you open it, you find a plum in
Oh
it.
yeah, there's a little.
And
it's
if you
plum.
open the plum,
Yeah.
you find an almond in it. So they put the stone out and they put an almond in it.
Oh, that's nice.
And it's baked out.
It almost looked like
a-
chocolate, but it wasn't. It's a plum.
Yeah. Normally you have the common Apfelstrudel, but they have cherry
Oh,
strudel.
I like the plum. It's good. It's different.
And this is a plum
And this is
strudel
just a little
decoration. And that is a parfait. This parfait is also very special. It's a winter parfait, and it's made out of, now I don't know the English word for it. The Bratapfel is an apple
It's
you
like a
put
baked
into the
apple.
oven. A
Yeah,
baked,
baked
apple.
apple.
So it's a baked apple parfait.
Try it with the wine. It's really nice. I can't eat it all, but I'm gonna toast you again. Wow, this has been such an amazing day. Thank you.
It was a pleasure for me, and enjoy your further trip down the Danube River.
Thank you.
This is definitely a place I'd like to come back to.